Good morning, guys, and today I will be reviewing this Kross Cycle in your front. As you can see how it look pretty decent. It doesn't have any disc at all, but though it has very hard brakes. So it has 6 gears. I can show you where they are. This is the part where the gears are. Hopefully you can see them here. That's optional. That ring is optional. 6 gear transmission. You can change them by doing this. It has nice silicone. I don't know what it is. It's nylon seat written Kross on the side. It also is branded Spider and Kross sticker. I have done some tattooing on this thing. These are the original. Stop now here is written on it. This is mud flap. It's given with the cycle or from them. It has 6 gears, and those 6 are here at this spot. And you can see here the knee here to a knee, and this is the chain. It's now a bit rusty because I have been using the cycle for a whole year, 5 years now. I've also brought this optional pump from Decathlon. There is front one also. It's broken already, but it's fine. The tires are not that thick. It is pretty much thin. So front is exactly same, and overall view the cycle look great, and it is good for the age group between 10 to 16 years. You can just use the cycle, but then you will find it small for you. So I have been using this cycle for 5 years, and still I don't have any problem with it, and I think you should buy this cycle. The price is only 7,000 Indian rupees, and it's very easy to buy. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button.